Only a couple of hours drive northwest of Brisbane, you'll find Bloke Heaven if you're into dirt bikes, a series of privately owned motocross tracks called Parklands. Sitting amongst gum trees and rolling hills, there's a range of tracks to suit all skill levels, including 100-foot tabletop jumps for those with no fear. There are 5 tracks for adults and 2 for kids, and because the whole setup is on private property, there are no licences required. Camping is available just down the road for $8 a night at the Kenilworth Showgrounds, where you'll also find all the amenities you'll need, including the best $1 hot shower going around. After a big day on the tight twisting circuits, it's time for the lads to relax and enjoy a little downtime before a good night's sleep and another crack at Parklands tomorrow. Parklands is open 7 days a week from 8 until 5 and costs $30 for adults and $20 for kids. Go to the website for all the details. And for a really good night's sleep, you'll find the ARB swag, which is the same one that we're giving away on the show soon at your local ARB store.